That's right. Let's go, Milo. Good throws back, Noah. Good backup, boys. Good backup.
Hey, get in there and head away.
Go to your right, Judd. To your right. To your right.
Come on, Milo. Let's go.
Hey, man. You can, relax. No.
Hey, get in there and that's it. Let's go.
Let's go, Milo. Good try. Two. Hey, Miles, good try. That's all right, man. That's all right. Let's go.
Try, Miles.
All I got is $2. Just drink something, okay? Just take that. That's all I got on me. Back. Way back.
Play the game, Bob. Let's go. Let's go, Z.
All right. Connor.
Hey, Bob. The third baseman is in left field.
Heads up. All right, Milo, you got one on him. Connor, make sure you got third. That's all right. Run it in. All right. Let's go. Noah, do not worry about that runner on first, okay? Noah, do not worry about that runner on first. Let's get this batter. Hey, boys, no outs. We got runners at first and third. Don't worry about that. Let's go. Follow through, Milo. You all right? You got first, Rob? Good pitch.
Level swing, Jack.
Run it down.
Stay balanced, Jack.
Good pitch. Right. Good pitch. How many outs we got, boys? All right. All right, Judd, get ready. Joel, 2 steps to your... Let's go, Milo. Be ready, outfield. Ready, Henry. First.
Do the back.
Run it back. Run it down.
Go.
Stay right here. That's right. Milo, doing great. Doing great. Keep putting it in there. Come on, defense. We got one out.
Hey, quicker hands, Ezra. You're a little late.
Bring it down a little bit. Good follow through.
Hey, take a deep breath, Ezra. You got it.
Good follow through. Come on, Milo. Adjust on the mound.
Run it out, run it out.
First.
Back, go, go.
Run it down, run down, run down. Come down. Watch you got third. Watch you got third. No, 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 no. Connor, I want you covering third. Henry, I want you backing him up, man. You're not a spectator. I want you moving. You know what to do.
Run him down, Noah.
Walk him back, walk him back, walk him back. All right, let's go. We got 2 outs, boys. Play it first. 2 outs. Let's get this out. Good pitch, Milo.
All right, one more, Milo.
2 outs, Angel.
Come on, look alive, look alive.
You mean 2 more?
Put it right in there, Milo. Look alive, defense. There you go. Pretty pitch, pretty pitch.
Head level. Drop him on shoulder.
Want to see you ready, Henry? Good job.
Drafted actually pretty low.
For real?
He just hasn't played baseball very much, but he's freaking good.
Oh.
Clearly,
That's why we know. Yeah.
Go, Joe! Go, Joe! Joe, keep coming. Slide!
Run it!
Nope, 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 nope.
All right, go back to the mound.
Tice you up, tice you up.
How's that?
Good hit, man. Let's go, Noah. That was good. That's what I was talking about. I like that. I like that.
Back is Noah.
Good eye, good eye.
Scott, you gotta be ready, man. When it comes, Scott, serious. When it comes to third, you gotta be ready to be at third. You can't stand back there. Go, D. You're looking good, D.
Back is Noah.
There goes A.
Noah,
Over your head, Noah.
make contact and let me come in.
Get in there tight. Let's go now.
Slow it down a bit, Zayd.
Mm.
There you go. There you go.
Dad,
Mm.
you were lying basketball comes in.
Exactly. That's what I've been telling you all along.
So if I had to grade back, that was not even.
Come on, Bob.
The other one on the fence.
Buckle up back there. Let's go.
It was up there.
No, it went over the fence. Get ready. Whoa.
Come on back now, Zayd. Come on now.
All right, Noah. You got 2 strikes on you.
Go, Z. You got it, buddy. You got it, man. Give him something he can hit. Come on, Zayd. You ready, all right?
All right. Yeah,
Number one.
that's good.
It's all right, Zayd.
All right. All right, get ready, get ready, get ready. Get ready. Stay right here. Hold on.
Worry about that next pitch.
Watch the contact. I want you to come out so far, okay? You hear me? Look, look. I want you to come out so far.
DJ, if he runs,
Do
you
not
gotta
just
yell,
try to go,
okay?
because if it's a soft hit back, you can
Hey,
get put out.
Ezra, if he steals, you're throwing down no matter
I
what.
just want you
okay?
to come
No matter
down
what.
and listen.
You got the bag, 5. You got the bag.
Come on, Henry, let's go, man. Let our catcher go and suit up. We only got one today. You nervous? Never let them see you sweat. Let's go, Henry. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's it.
All right, Judd. Judd, come on into the plate.
Throw it down, Ezra.
Get down there, Henry. Don't look back. Stay up. Stay up.
Ezra, throw no matter what. We have nothing to lose. Throw no matter what.
Load up. I want you to get ready. Come on up to the plate.
Slow it down. Take your time.
All right. Stay in there. Stay tight. Stay tight.
Ben, he can't steal. There's nowhere to go. Time, Blue.
Good.
Hey, close the space, Ace. Close the space.
Get back there. Just stand there.
Alive out there.
I know it. Get ready. Get ready to move, A's or Angels.
You got it.
Come to a complete stop, Z. Kind of rushing things out there a little bit. Come to a complete stop. Just playing catch with Ezra. That's all you're doing.
There you go, Zay.
Now you ready, Milo?
There you go.
A little faster.
One more, Zay. One more.
Load up. Load up. Load up.
There you go, Zay. There you go, buddy.
That's the way to work it.
Mm-hmm.
Come back, Zay.
I know it.
All right, come on, let's go, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Hey, JT.
Let's go, Robert.
What's up, JT?
Get up in there, Robert. Get up in there.
Hey, guys, outfield, look alive.
Come on now.
Hey, Doc shift over a little bit. Scott, come up some. We want infield. Bag it back that far. Not at third. Hey, guys, come on. No more conferences. Pick up more speed.
All right, Robert.
Hey, Zay, don't be afraid to pitch to this guy. Give him something to hit like you do the rest. There you go, Zay. Come after him.
Load up. Load up.
Get it back to him, man. Let's go.
Get aggressive.
Play catch, Z. Come on now.
Be ready, Robert.
Slow down a little bit. There you go.
There you go, Zay.
Robert, step out.
Way to take your time, Zay.
Want you? Hey, Robert. Load.
Hey, Zay.
You're standing like this. Load. When he comes up, I want you loaded. Come on now. You can hit that. I know you can.
Hey, Zayd. 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 Don't be afraid to pitch inside. Don't be afraid to go after him. Go after him.
Good eye. Good eye.
Give him something inside to hit, Zayd. Full count.
Walk it on home. Come on, Connor.
All right, Zane, you got him.
Let's go now, Connor. Come on now.
Infield, any base. Infield, any base.
You got this, Connor. I want you to load early. Load early.
Force play.
Still don't have
He
to
makes
run,
contact.
okay?
I want you
got it.
going, okay? But I want you to listen. Just don't run. Just listen. Ready to move. Good eye. Good eye.
Pitch there. That's a pretty good pitch. Slow down a little bit.
Stay in there, Connor. Nope. Get back up there.
There you go, Zane.
Right. Like that. Keep going for the windup, though. That's good. Give him the four-seamer.
Man, what y'all put in his arm? A rubber band? Good God. He's just quick release.
He's wound up.
Up. Come back.
He's mentally tired.
All right, Z, give him the best pitch.
Okay. Hey, Zayd, you have to slow down. The umpires don't like how fast we're going, all right? You have to take a break between pitches. All right, Zayd, just pitch and catch with Ezra. Just pitch and catch. Just worry about the next pitch. Don't worry about the pitches you've already thrown across that plate. Worry about this pitch.
Come on, Connor.
All right, Z, let's
Nothing
go.
over your head now. Good
There you
strike.
go, Zayd. There you go. There you go.
Hey, Zay, you got him. Look, you just batted. No runs. You got him. You ahead.
It's 2 outs.
You winning, baby.
He swings, you run.
Ezra.
It's 2 outs. He swings, you run.
Further inside, okay? Further
Let's go,
inside.
Miles.
Give him a good inside target.
You get this batter, you get out of
Come
here
on,
with no runs. Let's take it.
Guys. Sorry, Blue. Okay, Zay.
Let's go, Miles. Stay in there.
Infield, be ready, guys. Any
Go,
base.
Zeke.
Hey, don't go to sleep, infield. Let's go.
Close the space.
It's up, it's up.
That's you, Ezra. Good try.
All right, Miles.
Go, Ace.
Look at the pitch count. 1-1. You good, Zay. Take your time.
Stay in there, Miles. In tight. In tight.
Feel good.
All right, Miles.
Good pitch, Zay. That was a good pitch.
There you go, Zay. There you go. Hey, one more, Zay.
Get in there, Miles. Be tough. Be tough. Protect it now. Come on now.
Take your time.
Run it out. Run.
First base. All right.
Good pitch, Milo. How many pitches he had the last inning? Okay.
Where you going?
Way to follow it, Noah.
Get one more in the Milo.
What's up, Brian?
How are you?
It's all right. It's all right. Good follow through, Milo. Good follow through. Good pitch. Way to go, Milo. It's a good pitch. It's one out, boys. Just one out. Right, that's a good one. That's a good one. Judd. Hey, Robert, pay attention. He's swinging like that. It's going to come this way. I want you ready.
Good pitching, Milo. One more. That's
Ooh. It's all right. Stay in the zone, Milo. You're doing good. Oh.
right, Blue.
You good, Blue?
Yeah, Milo, just jump in. Take a breath, Milo.
Pick the spot, Milo. Pick the spot. Throw it straight down there. Straight down. It's 2 outs, boys. 2 outs. Where's the play? Pitch and catch. Let's go now. Pitch and catch. Milo. Anybody got any bug spray? Whew. Good gracious. Good pitching.
There you go, Milo. One more.
Stay in that zone. It's all right. One more, one more.
There you go.
Good job. Good job. Get up on the plate. Get aggressive. Let's go.
Pitch, Arian.
That's right. Nothing high. Get up in there. Be aggressive. Load up. There you go. Run it out.
Nice hustle.
Henry.
Yeah.
Henry, you hit it, you run. You got 2 strikes on you, so you got to protect the plate. Get aggressive now. Come on. Good eye. That's good. Stay in there.
Good scoop, Buck.
Right, Henry.
Take your time, Arian.
Aaron, a little quick.
Take your time, Arian.
Aaron, a little fast.
Let's go now.
Slow it down a little bit.
You're all right, Arian. Nice and easy.
Run it out, run it out, run it out.
Second base.
Send it to, send it to.
Second base. Second base.
Back, back, back.
Hey.
Henry. Good job, Henry.
Good stop.
Come on, JT.
Hey, Blue. You have 2?
Let's go, Joel.
Back. Cambridge back. Charlie back. Scott back.
Let's go, Joel.
Hang out.
Be patient now. Stay back on that leg.
Be ready.
In the step, JT.
Right to you, Jack.
Good eye.
Here it comes.
Henry, get ready to run.
Where are you going with it, Jack? If you get it, where are you going? Right.
Come on, Henry! Come on, Henry! Stay up, stay up. Good job, good job. Good job, Joel. Come on, Noah, get in there. Let's get this hit. Come on, Noah. Good eye, good eye. It was a good hit, Henry. It was a very good hit.
JT, get that out of your mouth.
All right, Noah.
Hey, where's your play, Ace?
That was your pitch. That was your pitch, Noah.
7:30 stars.
Oh, yeah. It's killer. Boom.
There you go.
Run it out.
First
Run it out. Run, run, run.
base.
Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Call time.
Whoa, whoa.
Call time. Call time.
Hey.
Go back.
Step off the road. Step off.
Stay in the game.
There you go, Ari.
Put the runner first before you throw it to first base.
You got it, man. You got this. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Good job.
All right, JT, baseball ready.
Come on, Aaron.
There you go, there you go.
Hey,
Nice batter.
Judd. Judd, that was a good swing.
Ben, how many outs? How many outs? Jack, how many outs?
Go, Jack.
Let's go, Milo. Bring him home.
Make contact.
Make sure you look at the runner.
Noah.
Before you throw it to first.
Mm.
Pitch, all right.
Above your head.
A little high.
Take a deep breath in between, Aaron.
Stay on there. Stay on there.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Stay there, JT.
I know. It's a bruise. Wait, 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 wait. Go.
Home, 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 home.
Go, 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 go. Stop, 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 stop. Back, back, back. Run. Slide.
Throw it to the pitcher. Throw it.
I'm with you all the way, Noah. I'm with you all the way. I know, I know. I remember that one. That's why I'm with you all the way.
Hey, nice hustle, guys. That's a tough one.
All right, here we go.
You guys got to call it, though. Call those.
Come on, Aaron. Here we go.
Oh.
I'm gonna dab when I score.
Okay. Make sure you slide, too. Hold on, though. If he makes contact, we got one out. So if it goes up in the air, we might have to tag up. But let's see what he's got. Connor, step out. Step out. I want your hands turned loose. I want you swinging tonight, okay? I don't want you watching strikes.
You got to touch home plate, okay?
Come on now. I know you got this.
You guys got to play at home. Play at home.
Robert, pop up.
Hey, JT, if you get it, just touch that. Touch third base, okay?
Hey, it's all right. It's all right.
JT. Touch the base.
You got two strikes on you. You got to protect.
guys. Hey, watch the play, guys.
Watch the game.
Ooh.
Good.
There you go, guys. There you go.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
All right,
See how many out.
All right, if it comes to you,
Let's go, Miles.
How many outs, Ace?
They got 2 outs. There's 2 outs. You're running on the swing. You're running on the swing.
Keep moving.
Come on, Miles.
Closest base, boys. Let's go.
Oh, good cut. Straighten your one out, Miles.
Mama, straighten it out.
Come on, Buck. Here we go. Come on, Aryan. Let's go. Get this guy. Bear down on
Stay
this.
in. Gotta get in.
Z, you
Gotta
gotta
get in.
come in here,
Gotta
dude.
get in there. Safety first.
All right, Miles. 3-1.
Hey, Ari, you still got him. Hey, you still got him. Don't worry about it.
Like the dog.
Walk it home. All right.
Hey, Aaron.
How you doing?
Fine. 3.
They started with 1. Hey, Arian, I want you to go after him. Arian, go after him.
Get
Don't
in
be
there
timid.
tight, Henry. Get in there tight.
Don't be timid.
Load up. Good eye.
Yeah, I know. That is. Arian, just get it over. Like the playing catch.
Hey, Arian, make him beat you in the field. Make him get the hit.
All right, Henry.
Let's go. Let's play ball.
All right, come on, guys.
Stay in there. It's got to be good, Henry. Good.
All right, there you go, boys. Come on.
There you go.
What I'm figuring is we put Joel back in there. We'll do just like we did in the last game.
Yeah.
And see what Joel got. And
Swap.
then swap if we have to.
Swap Judd the second and
Mhm.
Milo and short.
Yep.
Leave Robert on first.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's Robert.
Yeah. But I want to see Connor stop one at third to be convinced, because that last game he had that ball was hit at him. He just did not. He turned on it.
Well, he's been denying it for not paying attention to the base too.
Yep.
I saw him on that last line.
Now we still might swap him though when Joel comes in. It's a possibility.
That's a
Strike. Good job. How many? Yes. Good pitch.
What did my dad do?
Hey, Henry.
I messed up my good shoes. I forgot to my crappy shoes. I did not bring them. Well, I brought my
Back two.
There you go, Milo.
All right, Milo. Pretty pitch. Pretty pitch.
He said, don't bring your Nike shoes. I know, but I didn't. I thought, dude, Jake.
Tag it. Good job, Robert. Way to stay with it. Way to stay with it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, back.
I get what you're most going to get more rights in those.
Right there.
Get more rights in those schools. I don't care about essays. Essays are easy. The only hard thing is that you have way more rights.
Connor.
Cause my sister, all she ever does.
Judd. Get the ball. Get the ball. Touch it. Tag him. Tag him. Tag him. You missed him.
You all right? Focus
on the out right here. Let's go. Come on, Jack. 10 seconds. There you go, Miles.
Nice pitch. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Hey, Noah, we got 2 outs.
Let's get this out. Let's get this out. Don't worry about it. Let's go. Hello. There you go, Miles. Let's go.
Second base, second base.
Hey, run, run! Come on, Joe! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Go, 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 go! Slide it in. Let's go, Noah. Good eye, good eye.
There you go.
It's all right. Stay in there, Noah. Stay aggressive. Ooh. Stay up, stay up, stay up.
Hey, Jack, make a decision and throw it. Hey, Scott, if he steals, you're covering. Hey, I need you awake, JT. You're covering on a steal.
Henry, eyes on me.
There you go, DTF.
Let's go, Judd. It's 2-1. It's 2-1. Come on.
Infield. Let's stand infield ready. Let's stand like infielders. Good pitch.
There you go, DTF.
Hey, Scott. You're a little
Stay strong in there.
right behind the
Be aggressive.
Back behind the base. You got to give him room to
right
run.
there.
That's all right. That's all right. That's all right.
Get better.
Let's go, Milo.
How many outs? Stay on your toes.
It's 1 out, Henry. Eyes on.
JT, how many outs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Stay up, stay up, stay up.
Good catch, Scott. Good job, Scott.
Good job, good job, good job.
Hey, JT, good job, buddy.
Everybody stay in front of it, Jack. That's it.
Here we go, Milo. Here we go. It's 1 out.
Go, DTF.
Run it.
Two, Charlie, two.
Good job, Milo.
Hey, Charlie, way to get
Let's go, Robert.
Use your whole body.
All right, back up.
Load up.
Aryan, back up. Aryan, back up. Back
your right. There you go.
Let's go, Robert.
You gotta tell Jack, okay?
Heads up.
Heads up. Come on up. Almost hit you in the foot. That's not bad. Come
Good
on,
dig.
here we go.
Go, DTF.
You up, you up, you up. Let's go, Robert. It's 3-1.
Arian, to your right. Arian, to your right.
All right, hey Scott, JT, get ready.
Come here.
3!
Stay up, stay up, stay up.
There you go, Scott. Nice job, buddy. Good job, Scott.
Good hustle, Milo. Good hustle. Come on, Connor. Come on, Connor. Connor, get in there. Get aggressive. Load up, get aggressive. Let's go. Good eye. Good eye. Get down there, Robert.
That's slip, Jack.
Good eye. Mm-hmm. You'd have been there in a cloud of dust.
Hey, DTS, slow those pitches down, please. Just a little bit. Let's worry about getting it over the plate.
There you go. Run it in, run it in, run it in. Come here, Robert. Come here, Robert. Turn, turn. Come there. Right here, right here.
Timeout.
Go back.
Arian, timeout.
Good hustle. Good hustle. Good hustle.
Stay with it, fine.
Good hustle, man. Good hustle. You good? All right. Get ready. It's 2 outs, so you're running the crack of the bat. Okay? No matter what you're running.
Hey, DT, let him hit it.
Rob.
Slow it down a little bit. Just get it over the plate like last time. Fine, getting hit.
Whichever one you feel good with. I just want you to get off that base. Breath. You're breathing hard. Come on. Get it straight. You good? All right, let's go. Get ready to roll. He hits it, you run.
There you go, DT.
Right, right. 2-1, Miles. Come on. You got it. Oh.
Go, DT. Come on.
Come on, Miles. You can do this. You got him.
Zaid. Pitch.
All right, all right. Now, that's good. I'm all right with that. I'm all right with that. Come on, Miles.
Jack, you all right?
Oh. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. Helmet broke. The mask is. I was gonna say if he had a really big head, he could use my son's. He got another one in the bag, but wait a minute. No, I left the bag in the truck. But I still got one.
Now I can run into the equipment room. I got it too. But you don't like using those.
I don't blame him.
Try and have our own. But for rookies, okay, different story.
Yeah. You get here and above, man, it gets personal with them.
Yeah.
They got to have their own stuff. Come on, Miles.
There you go. There you go. Oh, Noah.
Oh! Milo, go out. Go out, get the ball. Milo, go out. Milo, you got the ball. Nope. Robert, cover third. It's all right. Let's get dirty. You okay? Hey, Milo, let's go. Let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. Joel, keep putting it in there. Trust your defense. We make up for it here.
There you go. He's stealing.
Let's focus on this out, boys. Angels. Angels, let's focus on this out. Let's go now.
Let's go, Joel. Come on.
Good pitch, good pitch.
There you go, Joel.
One more. First.
To the back, to the back.
Oh my goodness.
Go.
Second.
Get down.
Robert Odom. You gotta make that play, Robert Odom. So I put you over.
Third. Dang, he literally stopped. Come on, Joel.
Get ready.
First. Watch the runner. All right, you're good and warmed up now, Joel. Let's go. Put it in there.
We're going to swap Milo and Dylan. Nice cut, Scott.
After this one, he's hitting this way.
Little quicker, Scott.
There you go, Noah.
Where the dig, Noah? You got this, Joe. Got 2 strikes on him, Joe. Good pitch.
There you go, Joel.
Good pitch. Watch that runner.
High infield. 1 out.
Hey, boys, we got 1. Plays it first or second. The plays it first or second. I want to see dirty gloves on ground balls. Good.
Go, Joel. Set it up. Taylor. Taylor. Slide it in. There you go, Joel.
Right, Joel.
One more, Joel.
One more.
Good catch, Noah.
All right. Follow through good. It's 2-2. It's 2-2.
There you go, Joel.
Pitch. Good pitch.
All right, boys, 2 down.
Hey, boys. It's 2 outs. 2 outs. Either one.